2022 Chevy Tahoe 3K budget. With the $3,000 budget, we can definitely get you a system for the Chevy Tahoe. First, we'll start with how we're going to get our signal to our system. We'll use an LC2I from Audio Control. Since this is a newer vehicle, we're not able to change the radio unlike other vehicles, so this line-out converter will do the trick. Next, we'll move over to the subs that we're going to use. We're going to go with the sundownaudio U15s. Those guys run for about $570 each, and they hold 1,750 RMS. Next, we move over to the box. We're definitely going to need a custom box for this application. The subs will not do well in a regular MDF box. You're going to need a birch box. One, because the extra strength. Two, because if you do an MDF box, it's going to be a lot heavier than a birch box would. I would say a custom box is probably going to run you $400 to $500. Next, we'll move over to the amplifier. We'll go with the sundownaudio Saya 3500. This amplifier does 3,500 watts at 1 ohm, but just like other Sundown products, this amplifier does more than what it says. This amplifier is $419. Next, we'll move over to the wiring. We're going to need a 0-gauge kit from T-Spec. That'll run us about $174. It will come with everything we need in the package. Next, we'll move over to some supporting components for our system to make sure the electrical in our vehicle stays where it needs to be. First, we'll get a battery from Energy, the ER3600. This battery goes for about $250. Next, we'll move over to a high output alternator. That, for a GM vehicle, is probably going to run you about $300 to $400, even $500, depending on how big of an alternator you want, or if you want any special features like powder coating. With all of that equipment, it brings us right around our budget of $3,000 for the 2022 Chevy Tahoe.